let's get unboxing. But first, time to have some fun. Okay, so let's begin.
Before we begin, why don't you tell them a little bit about what's on the box and read it off to them?
Surface scan, optical ground tracking, and position hold. That's pretty good. So, okay, can I read it?
Let me see it.
Because just in case you guys want to read it, you guys can pause the video. I'm not reading every single thing on the. That's a lot of reading.
I think this is a pretty good starter drone. I do.
Those were good starter drones, but those.
Yeah. All right. Let's get to unboxing.
Yes. Easy open. Not easy open. There's a screwdriver yet. Do not attempt this at home. I have parent supervision.
I don't know if you call me a parent supervisor, but if you want to.
Wait. You need to open both sides. That's great. Should have known that. Yeah. Why does that kind of freaking PS2 controller?
It does. It kind of looks like a mix of a PS2 controller and an Xbox 360 controller.
What? How do you open this? This is so stuffed. How do you open this? Yeah, technical difficulties.
Right there, just pull it out. Shabam. Shabam.
Oh. I'm a little stupid.
No, you're not. It's okay. You can do it. Turn it the other way.
Oh, yeah. I'm upside down, people. Sorry. It's a freaking small drone.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a trick drone.
Yeet.
So, show them everything that's in there.
Okay, so we have the PS2 Xbox 360 remote. We have the protector pieces for the blades. Then we have the batteries or something. Then we have the drone.
Just so you guys can get more of a close-up on everything. So, I'll let them open these up. Well, wait, they're twisty ties, aren't they? No, they're not. Okay. I'll get you something to take care of this right now.
Okay. If some of you inquires, what am I doing first? Let's see this one. Oh, I do not have it. Okay, these are heavy.
They're meant for when I'm doing oil changes. When I was doing oil changes when I worked at Volkswagen and Dodge,
There we go.
I'd use those to clip the O-rings of the oil drain plugs before I replace them. Almost done. Squeeze, yeah. Those things can cut through metal. It can cut through that.
Wait, what? Oh. I cut both things already. Alright.
A couple more to go.
Okay, so before we get started, this does look like a 360 remote.
Oh, it even has bumpers on it?
Oh yeah, this is the stunt button.
Oh, it's just one bumper. Okay.
Yeah. Beautiful thing itself. Ooh, cool. It's very cool. Whee, whee.
All right. Go ahead and finish taking everything out.
Okay. I don't get one of this one, you see? No, I don't want to break it. Stop, get out of the way. This is going to be very hard if these stupid black things don't get out of the way.
There you go. All right.
They were in the way.
So, I think those don't need a screw. I think you just have to actually pop them in. I could be wrong. Litterer.
We're picking it up after. Relax.
Okay. Just so you guys can get another close up.
Okay, I cannot cut that. Okay, do not try this at home at all.
Try what at home?
This. You can hurt yourself very bad. That's so weird in my hair. Don't do that. Stop.
I got it.
No. Breathe. That could have flew off and hit me in the face.
Okay. There you go.
Thank you. Okay, there we go.
All right. So what's in the box?
In the backs.
Just yeet this for now. Yeet.
That's low. I don't know if you guys can see it when it's on the ground right next to the.
Well, you almost cut your finger.
Nothing happened. Are you okay? Right. Oh, there it goes.
Oh, it comes with extra propellers.
And the battery.
Well, yeah, it has to come with the battery. Let me see that real quick.
Came with the battery. Yay.
So battery.
Oh, yeah.
That's the charger.
If you guys didn't see, it has a. This is for reverse. It is for forward.
Okay. Give him. Well, I'll just give him another view of this real quick. So your charger's in here. So is your battery.
Look at how fast he's spinning. I want to attack you with him.
You want to see if this even has juice?
Yeah.
Okay. Before you do, yeah, go ahead and connect those into it. Because I think they just pop in.
Yeah, I think it is. Okay, I need to have stabler fingers.
Put it on the table and do it.
I have to go under the blade to do it.
All right. So we got those in. Do they clip in?
I think we need
Yep, they clip in. You just have to have some finger power.
Okay, Dad, we need a double A for a controller.
Those are triple A's.
Uh,
Go find some triple A's.
I don't know where the triple A.
I'm gonna pop these in, and Damien will be back with some batteries.
Yeet!
Push them in, and they should click. There's one. There's two. We'll put the rest on, and we'll be back in a second when Damien gets batteries.
Huzzah! I am back
Okay.
with the Duracell. Yep, the triple A's, baby. Triple A's.
All of them are on.
Nice.
Damien's gonna go grab the battery, and we'll see if we can get this thing powered on right now. Be back in a minute.
Okay.
All right, we are back. Show them where you put the battery. No, you have to open the door.
Wait.
So you pop that door open, slide it on in, make sure the battery is pointing towards you because you have to actually plug it in right there at the bottom. So close it in.
Trying to. Oh no. Okay, there we go.
All right, now plug the battery in. You can see where the indents are for where it lines in.
Yeah. There we go.
Oh, it's got light. It's got power. All right, try to connect it.
Yep. Power.
We have not read the instructions, just so you guys know. They are still sitting right there because Damien did not read it. So let's see if he can connect it on his own. How'd you turn it on before?
By holding the power. Oh, there it is.
All right, see if you can get it to work. Again, we have not read anything. So let's see if we can do this. Ah! Don't hit the car. Oh God! All right, take two because that did not work out that well. Okay. That sounds crazy. It sounds like super strong. All right. How does it feel? Does it feel tight?
No, it's really easy.
It is?
Look,
Oh, God.
I followed the verbiage for a second.
All right.
Ready for me
Good.
to land?
The wind's blowing it. As soon as that wind, as soon as the wind came in, it decided it wanted to do its own thing. It landed. Woohoo! All right. So what do you think about it so far?
It's fun.
Heck yeah. So we're gonna end up going to the park this weekend. We'll take some more videos and see how it goes with more wind. You want to play with it a little bit more? Turn it on again real quick. Oh my God, you just ran into my car.
The back came off.
I took the back off.
Oh.
All right, good. Start it. Get it to come and try to get it to land right in front of me.
I'm going backwards, so I know about it.
You can do it.
That's what I'm sorry that I ran into the car.
No, you're not. Just wait until you get your own car and I'm gonna take my own drone and run into it. All right, land it in front of me.
Try to. It's backwards in the car.
Now it's not. All right, bring it over here.
It's still going.
It's in the garbage. Bring it back.
I'm trying.
Jesus.
I think I'm far.
All right, land it in front of me. All right.
The freaking wind made it hit me.
I know. As soon as the wind blows hard, it just goes crazy.
Yeah, I know it hit me, but I didn't even feel it.
All right.
This blocked me.
We'll get back to playing with this during the weekend. Well, you'll probably have more time to play with it in between, but
It's
well-
all scratched up already.
well, it's going to. It's a drone. All right.
Okay, we'll see you guys in a little bit.
Woohoo! All right. A few days later, we're out here at the park. Well, the park's over there, but we're at a big area where we ride around. Damien's having fun on a scooter. Brought out his new bike for him to ride as well. The wind is a little. You okay? I'm trying to vlog here, gooses. Chill out. But there's a little bit of wind, so I guess the rest of this review on this drone will be pretty good. We'll see how it goes in this wind. Yeah, you liking the scooter? You want to go up over there now, like where the other bit of the park is? I'll chase you on the scooter.
Sure.
Let's do it. Now that we waited like 5 minutes for that train to go by, go ahead and hit it. It's pretty windy. I'm not sure how it's gonna sound on the mic on my phone, but let's see. Did you make sure the drone was on?
Yeah.
Okay, see if it goes. Oh God. How does it feel any different with the wind going?
Yeah.
You can feel it like resisting a little bit.
Yeah.
That's not too bad. I mean, compared to the other one that we had.
Oh God.
All right, try to bring it back to us.
I can't do that.
Don't let it go over that fence because I don't want to jump over that fence to get it.
I'm coming back. It's coming. Oh no.
Yeah, it's fighting the wind. It's fighting the wind. I can't even tell if I'm videoing it or not. Oh, Jesus. Oh, there it goes into the gate. It wasn't that bad, though. So it can take the wind decently, I'd say, compared to the other cheaper one that we have. I don't remember the name of it. I'll put it somewhere here, like the name, just so you guys can look it up later. Or you can see one of our older videos of us playing with it when I was doing a home vlog when
Let's go into the grass area.
Sure, let's do it. Let's get further away from all of that. Our scooters will be okay. There's no one around us. So let's just go in the middle here and try it again. All right, take 2 after Damien crashed it by accident. It's still pretty windy. Try to make it fly over me. Woohoo!
No, come back.
Bring it closer to us.
I can't. It's not turning.
There it goes. Now it's turning. There you go. Now come forward. No, no, that way. Yeah. Here it comes. Slowly but surely. Woohoo! Can you bring it closer and try to do like a trick button?
They're in the...
Yeah, it's right there. Whoa! Bring it closer and do that again.
It's not...
Oh God, it's going away. Oh God, it's going away. Oh God. It's bringing. It's coming. It's coming. So it's got to be at least 5 feet off the ground before you can do the trick. So go up. Whoa, that was cool. Bring it closer. Try it one more time. Go ahead, press it. Oh, that was so cool. Woo! Whoa, whoa, whoa! You made it land upside down. Whoa, it's still going.
Okay, now it's going. Jesus.
That was cool.
Yeah, I know.
So what's your review on this drone, Damien?
That's good.
You like it?
Yeah, let's get out of here.
No, you should be okay.
No.
Okay, here. So, final review. It's pretty good. I mean, for the price, we didn't pay for it. We actually got it, or he got it as a gift for his birthday from his aunt in Redwood City. And yeah, it's pretty cool.
Yeah.
I like it.
Even though it's small, it's perfect.
Yes, it's a perfect drone to play with. And it doesn't record. I don't think it does. I don't think there's a camera on it.
Yeah,
so we've just been using it as a toy, and he's having fun with it. Hopefully the next one that we get, we can pay for something a little bit bigger and a little more expensive, and that has a good camera on it. So until the next one, if you guys like the content, leave a like, subscribe for more stuff to come. We have other unboxings and other adventures coming up in the future, so we'll see you guys again soon. Be easy.
Bye.